The Little Red Shoes, a heartwarming story about love for the poor. In a cheerful little village, surrounded by rolling green hills and fields of sunflowers, there lived a kind and happy girl named Lena. She lived with her parents in a small yellow house with a red roof and a garden full of marigolds. Lena had everything a little child could wish for: books to read, toys to play with, warm meals every day, and her favorite thing of all, a shiny pair of red shoes that clicked when she walked. She wore them proudly every day, polishing them with a cloth before leaving for school. Every morning, she passed a quiet corner near the edge of the village, where an old tree stood tall. One day, as she walked by humming a song, she noticed a girl sitting under that tree. The girl had messy hair, a thin torn dress, and bare feet. Her name was Anya. Lena stopped and smiled. "Hi, I've never seen you before. What's your name?" The girl looked up shyly and smiled back. "I'm Anya," she said softly. "I live in the small hut near the forest. I come here to watch the children go to school." Lena looked down at Anya's feet. They were dusty, scratched, and red from the gravel. "Why don't you go to school too?" Lena asked gently. Anya lowered her head and replied, "My family is poor. We don't have money for school things, not even shoes." Lena's heart felt heavy. She looked at her shiny red shoes, her favorite pair. Then she looked back at Anya's bare feet. Suddenly, she sat down and took off her shoes. "Here," she said, holding them out. "You can have these." Anya blinked in surprise. "But they're so pretty. Aren't they your favorite?" "They are," Lena said, smiling. "But I want you to be happy too. I can wear slippers. You need them more than I do." Anya took the shoes slowly, tears in her eyes. She tried them on, and they fit perfectly. She stood up and hugged Lena. "Thank you," she whispered. "No one has ever been this kind to me." From that day on, Anya started going to school, with Lena by her side. Lena wore her simple slippers, and Anya wore the shiny red shoes. The villagers noticed this sweet act of kindness. One by one, they started bringing food, clothes, books, and shoes to help children like Anya. They realized that even a small act of love could change someone's life. Soon, the village became the happiest place around, not because it was rich, but because its people were rich in kindness. Moral of the story: we all have something to share, whether it's love, time, or a simple pair of shoes. Treat the poor with love and respect, because kindness makes the world a better place.